20 years can change a lot. But some commitments never change. For nearly 2 decades, ROCKER has been dedicated to reliable vacuum solutions. Built with oil-free technology and rugged durability, ROCKER has remained a trusted partner behind every workflow. Driven by our relentless attention to detail, ROCKER's exceptional durability has earned lasting trust. As ROCKER approaches its 20th anniversary, we're turning our confidence in quality into a stronger commitment. ROCKER's flagship pumps are now backed by an extended 2-year warranty. 20 years of excellence. Confidence extended. ROCKER, your most trusted lab partner.